This is the broadcast for February 9, 2019. Crossroads of lifeless plant entrails. Vapors expelled in teeming furnace waves. Spells our thick concrete conclusion. When sinks are banished, balding, clearcut soil. Canyonlands echo leaving, dropping howls. We spring into empty, formless shadows, as exceptional rot sweeps away life. Pulse power frequently reigns throughout D-layer arrangements. No angel plays this harp. This framework is a purpose in itself. Forlorn day dwellers rant against near desolation, carelessly hidden. Priceless cloaking ozone permits cellular tranquility. A resonance frequency for every particulate, because science reinforces technological treatments. In the words of Dr. James McDonald, the whole history of evolution has been a battle in ultraviolet, and so far we've just barely won. Murmurs of ozone depletion shall never be overspoken, because when ultraviolet 280 nanometers and 350 nanometers reaches ground level, species begin to leave. Even temporary holes lead to immediate life form disruptions. Hurt can find us even closer than atmospheric sabotage, though. Toxic aluminum suspended in sterilized vials, if penetrating epidermal clothing, emits trouble close to fundamentals. We know from studies that microglia and astrocytes are sites of preferential aluminum accumulation, and that following chronic aluminum exposure in mixed cultures of astrocytes and neurons results in significant astrological apoptosis and associated neuronal loss. This unforgiving assault on microglia and astrocytes play a significant role in immunoexcitotoxicity, because microglia and astrocytes are principal sources of glutamate and immune cytokines. And studies provide evidence that aluminum increases pro-inflammatory cytokine and glutamate in the brain. Therefore, nanoscale aluminum invades the most intimate cells of our organism. As for the wider physical world, will mankind act during the sunlight? Can those blessed with abundance thread the needle and strengthen what remains? Too many proposed methods of offsetting the overall worsening climate disaster are simply the work of goggling witticism. One such example is the idea to paint roofs and pavements with reflective brighteners. While this method may improve local temperatures temporarily and possibly provide savings in air conditioning, the overall climate warming is set in motion at magnitudes too great to break. Another such foolhardy notion is the idea to position a specialized reflective mesh between Earth and the Sun to reduce the amount of sunlight that reaches the planet. However, a 1% reduction in solar radiation would require approximately 1.5 million square kilometers of mirrors made of reflective mesh. No, we will not avert the rising losses through reflective paint and space mirrors. These warnings go to distant lands. Yielding to the forces of nature would have unquestionably alleviated much of our increasing extreme weather events. We beg, brothers and sisters, do not be attracted to glossy, brilliant array of distraction descending on the masses. Hear ancient penned wisdom. Be careful how you walk, not as unwise men, but as wise, making the most of your time because the days are evil. Crest the pervasive spirit of decay. Speaking with confidence, share many soft words.